Good morning, what's up guys? It's your boy FAT-Nel. It's been a long time coming out. Well, today we're coming to ice fishing. I know this is not a mask, but hey, it covered me for a little bit. I have a swollen eye. Anyways, we're here to catch fish. Wow, it's pretty thick.
Yeah, it's pretty thick.
It's like an inch or so. Well, we're sitting down right now with my man Dave over here at Sand Lake. The bait is gonna be a shrimp. It's really nice weather and it's good to be back. So we're trying to get some fish. If we get some today, it will be a blessing. If not, it's still a blessing out here. You know, with this virus going on around the world, everyone's panicked. Gotta find something to calm you down, which is fishing. Whoa, I got one.
Good job.
What? I got one.
Good job.
Hey, I got one.
That's a char.
That's a char?
See the pink dots in it?
Huh?
Pink dots?
Yeah. Too small?
No, that's good.
It looks like we're eating today. Hey.
So maybe I wasn't imagining things.
I thought I was stuck over there.
That's what I thought too.
Because when I bring mine...
Oh wait, look.
Oh. Nice.
It's a rainbow.
Ooh, it's a pretty rainbow.
Come on.
I am. There you go. Should we put this one back?
If you want, yeah. I'm not gonna eat it.
Yeah. I'm gonna eat one. So I forgot to bring the spatula, the butter, the foil. So today we're just gonna eat straight from the grill. I only have lemon pepper salt with a Himalaya salt. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. That's what we're gonna eat. So we let it go. Dave's fish, the rainbow, we let it go because all I need is one fish, just one fish. So we're gonna have this one, snag on it, and enjoy the rest of the day. Don't be shy, just go hard on it. couple shrimps.
Might as well.
Like a popcorn shrimp. Oh,
Plane did
plane. There's a plane. Nice and hot.
Well, when I take another picture, he's taking back off.
Well, there's no special recipe over here. It's just the fish itself. And me and Dave are about to leave. We're done for the day. And has a char on it. This year, I'll try my best to post some videos, but it's gonna be a busy year. Good. Are you a dill pickle guy or sweet pickle?
I'm a dill pickle guy. How about you?
Both. It depends, like how I feel like. Well, there you go, folks. I just wanna come up here, update you guys why I didn't upload video, because I was sick. There's no fishing, too cold. Your boy's back. 2020, baby. Last piece. All right. Stay tuned. Stay blessed. And be safe. There's a lot going on this world. This is how I put up my fire. and I will take my trash with me.